On my dear. Today, Blue House is presenting a short skit on important value of our life. Once upon a time, there lived a king who had grown very old. The king had three sons. Now, he was worried that which of his sons should be his successor. So, one day he called his son and gave some seed each one.
Come, my sons. I am giving each one of you some seeds. After 6 months, I will see that whose plant is the best, and the one who will be having the most beautiful plant will be the next king.
They went back and planted the seeds and took the best care of the seeds for 6 months. After 6 months, two brothers had beautiful plants in Nepal with lovely flowers. The youngest brother's plant was plantless. Although he cared for the plant and took the best care, he saw his brother's plant and was very sad. He was worried that what would he say to his father. After 6 months, the king called all his sons to see the plant.
Come, my sons.
Father, look how beautiful our plants are,
Where is your plant?
said the son, with flowers in the pot.
My pots are empty, my dear father. I am really sorry. I tried my best, but no plants working at the park.
No, my dear son, should not be sorry, because the seeds which I gave to you and your brother were useless. Your brother lied to me. The plants which they have are from other seeds. When they saw their plants not good, they planted another seed in their pot. But you were honest. You told me the truth, and the best quality of the tree is that we should be always honest. So, you, my dear son, are the successor of this tree.
The act honesty is the best policy. Teaches that being truthful and sincere leads to positive outcomes such as trust and strong relationships with family, friends, and teachers. It highlights that while honesty might be challenging at times, it ultimately builds character and lead to a more fulfilling life. It also emphasizes that honesty is a virtue that is admired and rewarded in the long run. It teaches us about ourselves because when we stand firmly in our truth, we get to witness the reflection of that truth in the world around us. When you are honest, you see that what means in the faces looking back at you and in how things change or remain the same in response. Thank you.